Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Knuckleheads Garage channel. Was finally able to finalize up this whole S23 turbo kit swap. I got the exhaust hung, everything's properly attached, everything's tightened down. So why don't we say we give you guys some of those cold starts for comparisons for this comparison video. Just as a reminder, all the stuff that came off the car is right in here. I'm cleaning them all up and stuff, but there's the old street torque log style manifold. There's my old 3-inch downpipe, my old 0.68 AR open housing, the old screamer pipe for the single wastegate, a couple of the V-bands, the old mid pipe, and there is the old Apexi catback exhaust system that came off this car. So all of that was changed. I'm now running 1.0 divided AR housing. I have a 4-inch downpipe, a 4-inch mid pipe, and a Tomei Extreme TI exhaust, and that's also going through the S23 tubular manifold that's on the car now. I still have to replace the turbo blanket, but was too excited, didn't want to take the time to install that. I had to get you guys the cold start video, so why don't we go ahead and get started on that. Well, now you guys have heard the differences between what a log style street torque manifold sounds like and a nice properly set up tubular manifold sounds like. It was a big pet peeve of mine when I was deciding whether to do this swap. I couldn't find any true direct A to B videos that explicitly explained what changes were done between exhaust setups, and it annoyed me because I've been chasing after a certain sound, and this is pretty damn close to perfect to my ears. So hope this helps somebody else in their decision making as to what kind of setup you'd like to go for on your own JZ. Or if you just like hearing some Supra noises, feel free to tune into this video whenever you want. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Feel free to like and subscribe to this video. If you have any other questions about the car, if you have any recommendations on videos you'd like me to do about my car, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for tuning in, everyone. Take care.